Got wrinkles? They're laugh lines. Use them. Wife mad? Kiss her forehead. Knees sore? Walk to the pub. Life's shorter now, but richer. Don't watch it pass. Savor it.
I never took health seriously until my body started giving up. At 75 years old, I can tell you this, you can *** regain what you thought was lost forever. My wife is happy with what I've become in my golden years. How about you? Are you happy with your life? My name is Jack Harmon, and at 75 years old, I'm still riding my Harley across state lines while men half my age struggle to climb stairs. Let me tell you how I turned back the clock. 10 years ago, my doctor gave me 6 months to live. Diabetes, high blood pressure, arthritis, I had it all. I couldn't even throw my lay over my favorite bike anymore. ***, no, my wife is content. But back then, she was preparing for my funeral. What changed? I asked myself one question. Am I ready to give up? The first thing I did was throw out everything in our pantry. Everything. Your body is the engine, I tell the men in my riding group. Would you put cheap gasoline in your Harley? Here's what worked for me. Protein at every meal. It builds muscle even at our age. Green vegetables daily. Your organs need nutrients. Healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Your brain craves them. Water, water, water. Your joints need lubrication. ***, you will feel the difference in just a few weeks. I promise you this. Movement is the cure. I'm too old to exercise, people tell me. Nonsense. Start small. 5 minutes of walking. Then 10. Then add resistance bands. Your body memorizes strength. When I couldn't ride, I'd get on my bike in the garage and just work the controls. Pathetic? Maybe. But ***, my wife is pleased *** with the results. Now I'm back on the road. Health isn't just about being physically fit. Your mind needs care too. Every morning I ask myself, what will make today worth living? And then I do it. Sometimes it's a 200-mile drive. Sometimes it's teaching my grandson how to change his oil. The key is to have a goal. Are you satisfied with your life? If not, what can you change today? Isolation kills more old people than cancer. That's why I started Silver Throttles, a cycling group for men over 70. We meet weekly. We ride when we can. We talk about our problems without shame. My doctor says I should stop riding, one 82-year-old man told us last month. Find a new doctor, I told him. One who understands that joy is also medicine. Let's talk about the one everyone avoids. Yes, that one. My wife is content, and yours can be too. Blood circulation matters. Exercise helps. Certain supplements have helped me. Talk to your doctor without embarrassment. You can get that part of your life back. It's not about becoming 30 again. It's about connection. My daily routine. People always ask what I do every day, so here it is. 1. Wake up at 5 a.m., drink 16 ounces of water. 2. Stretch for 10 minutes. 3. Protein breakfast. 4. Short walk. 5. Strength training, 20 minutes total. 6. An afternoon walk, weather permitting. 7. Early dinner, no eating after 7 p.m. 8. Reading before bed, no screens. Simple, consistent, effective. I'm not selling anything, but I will tell you what works for me. Vitamin D3, most of us are deficient in it. Magnesium, for muscle cramps. Omega-3, for inflammation. Always consult your doctor first. ***, health decisions should be individualized. At 75 years old, I'm not trying to live forever. I'm trying to live until I die. You can do the same if you decide that age is just a number, not a sentence. My wife is happy with the person I've become, stronger, more present, more alive than I was at 65. Are you happy with your life? If not, make one change today. Just one. If you want to hear more stories and tips from the road, subscribe to my channel. Every week I post new videos about nutrition, exercise, and the mentality of men who refuse to fade away. Leave a comment below about your own journey. What has been your biggest challenge? What victory have you celebrated? The brotherhood is spreading online as well. Remember, it's never too late to become who you could be.